Well, it's time to do the audio test on the new 7300 Mark II. I've come out to Bolsa Chica State Beach, which you know is one of my favorite POTA spots because, frankly, it's pretty RF quiet. And along with it, I'm bringing the Alpha Antenna Hextenna because it's a nice little simple to set up dipole. We're going to orient somewhat to the east here, and we're going to do a cool A-B comparison. So let's go. I did a video on this antenna. Lots of different options are available. Steve over at Alpha does really cool work with his designs, but I got to tell you, one thing that everybody should have is one of these contractor surveyor's tripods. They are fantastic for portable operation when you have the space to carry it, because you can lay it out completely flat if you want to, or you can just leave it vertically, which I'm going to do, or getting more height, if you will. And then just splay out the legs until we're kind of balanced. About like that. Even if the wind kicks out, this isn't going to go anywhere. Central hub and two telescoping antennas here. You can make it just a vertical, single element vertical, or you can put the dipole by adding two elements on the side, 40, about 90 degrees opposed from each other. And we'll just align it east-west. And now we just need some feed line and tune it up. And to match it up, we're going to use some Messi and Paoloni POTA Flex coax. I like this regardless if you're in a parking lot, but it's nice and bright, so nobody will step on it accidentally. All right, fully extend the elements. And then we'll take a bearing on where we're at with the analyzer. 1.54 to 1 on basically FT8 frequency. It is a little long, which I expected, so I'm going to bring it in about half an element. Man, it's like I knew exactly what I was doing. 14.25, we're at 1.6, and it doesn't go above 1.5 at the high end where we're going to be about for a single sideband. So banging, I'm done. Now I just need to get the radio out. As promised, I got my big honkin' Go box out with my original 7300. And I keep this little ditty bag in here, which keeps the mic cable. All right, so let's do an A-B comparison on the receiver. I have this all set up. You can hear some 7300 Mark II audio and then 7300 Mark I, and I'm going to switch back and replay it a couple of times with some overlays so you get the idea of what the differences are, and we'll focus on a couple of portions as we go through it. Now, I did hear there was a big solar storm coming through, and we're looking at, was it X-class flare? So I don't know what the impact's going to be here for transmitting, but we are getting lots of signals in. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
This is Kilo 0, Sierra Delta, South Dakota. I got you 5-9.
Copy the 5-9, you're a 5-9 here as well. I'm doing a video for a A-B comparison between the 7300 Mark II and the Mark I. You're coming in on the Mark II right now. I'm going to switch antennas and I want to see what the difference is. Can you hold on 1 second for us?
Sierra Delta, South Dakota, and you're splitting this frequency with another station out of calling CQ out of California.
I am the station, or I am a station in California, so I will move then. This is Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Roger, can I get your call sign?
This is Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Your park number, please?
It is US 3411.
Hey, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm trying to tune in to Josh, and I'm only hearing you.
This is Josh. This is Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, that is a one-sided conversation. I'm going to move frequency again. That was wild. They were timed exactly. Okay, let's try this again. I guess I should activate this while I'm here. So let's get Polo going.
Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra.
Is that Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra?
Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra.
Copy. Yeah, you're a 5-7 here into US 3411.
QSL, Josh, I got you a 5-5 in Nebraska, November Echo. Good to get you.
Hey, copy that. Can you hang on 1 second? I'm going to switch radios to the 7300 Mark II, and I want to get an audio sample on you. So 1 second.
Hey, there you are, Josh. Yeah, you went down to about a 5.3 or 5.2 that time the audio went down.
Copy. So you're saying that this is quieter than the first one?
Yeah, on that radio I'm getting a 5353.
Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna swap the coax out here. I have a worry that this is not a great piece of coax. So can you mind sitting around for a second?
Yeah, Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra. I do hear you. You're kind of down in the noise now, Josh. I think it's the band conditions, and it doesn't help. We've got extremely high wind here too, so that might be messing with me.
Yeah, copy. Your signal strength didn't really fluctuate.
Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra. Hey, there you are, Josh. Yeah, you went down to about a 5.3 or 5.2 that time the audio went down. Kilo Charlie 0, November Sierra Sierra. Yeah, on that radio I'm getting a 5353. QSL, Josh, I got you a 5.5 in Nebraska, November Echo. Good to get you.
A couple of interesting points that I noted while editing this video, so I'm jumping in here to add a couple of thoughts. I'm using a pocket recorder with an EQ, and while I was doing this video, I was playing with the volume a lot between the Mark 1 and the Mark 2 because the Mark 2 is a lot louder radio. That's actually not something I expected. The speaker audio, which you can actually hear coming out of the top firing speaker on both radios, is different sounding. The Mark II is a fuller sound. I don't know how else to say it. Also, the volume can crank way higher than that of the Mark I. So much so that I had to go in there and balance it because some of those loud stations were getting to the point that it was blowing up the EQ on this. So the audio on the recorded side is going to be a little bit louder than my voice. I didn't really want to mess with it and kind of just give it to you how I got it. There are some times where the Mark II kind of needed to be ducked down a little bit, so just know that it has a lot of presence to the audio. It sounds a lot fuller when I heard it. I was using earbuds to listen, and yeah, between the two, you can honestly tell a difference between the audio on the radio. Kilo Golf Yankee with a huge signal. You were 5959 into US 3411.
Yeah, QSL Josh, the call's Kilo Golf 8 Yankee, and yeah, you're about 5 and 5 right now. I heard both rigs, and they sound good, so good to hear you, and we'll say 7-3.
Copy that. We're actually using you here as the audio source between the two radios to see what kind of difference they sound like. So would you come back for another audio sample, please?
Okay, well, you dipped down a little bit on me that time into the noise, so we got lots of QSB. I don't think the band conditions are quite optimal today, but good to hear you. You sound good on both rigs as far as I can tell, but the signals aren't real strong in this direction, so it's hard to tell sometimes. But anyway, we'll say 7-3, and we'll catch you next time. KI6NAZ, KG8Y.
Signal, you were 5959 into US 3411.
Yeah, QSL Josh, the call's Kilo Golf 8 Yankee, and yeah, you're about 5 and 5 right now. I heard both rigs, and they sound good, so good to hear you, and we'll say 7-3. Yeah, QSL Josh, the call's Kilo Golf 8 Yankee, and yeah, you're about 5 and 5 right now. I heard both rigs, and they sound good, so good to hear you, and we'll say 7-3.
Hey, appreciate the contact, and yeah, got you in the log. Thank you for everything. 7-3. Kilo Golf 5, Alpha Hotel Juliet. This is Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. You copy?
Roger, man. I hear you in North Texas in my backyard, but you're getting the noise. I have the preamp on.
Okay, one second. I want to get you on the Mark II now. I got you on the first one, so let me get you on the second. 1 second. Frank, KJ5AHJ, are you still copy? This is Kilo India 6, November Alpha Zulu. Frank, come back one more time. Frank, you there? One more time. We got a second of Frank. I couldn't tell if it was better or worse. Kilo Echo 7 Mike Juliet Romeo, you still copy? You still there?
I got you that time. You are 353 here into Portland, Oregon. QSL?
Copy that. I'm going to switch radios real fast. I want to hear you on the incoming. Can you come back and talk for a couple of seconds? Kilo Echo 7, Mike Juliet Romeo, you still there?
The band is very up and down, so I'm going to let you go. Thanks for the contact.
Hey, no problem. That's all I needed. I got you on the back end. So thanks.
I got you that time. You are 353 here into Portland, Oregon. QSL? The band is very up and down, so I'm going to let you go. Thanks for the contact.
Hey, no problem. That's all I needed. I got you on the back end. So thanks again for the contact, 7-3.
Kilo 9 Whiskey Bravo Tango.
Kilo 9 Whiskey Bravo Tango, you're 5-9 into US 3411.
All right, thank you for the 5-9, Josh. I've got you 5x6 Wisconsin Whiskey India. Good to catch you on the air.
Hey, yeah, thanks for coming back. You got a really good station. Can you hang on for 1 second and let me call you again on the 7300 Mark 1 so we can hear an audio difference?
Yeah, I'm here, Josh. I was trying to move my rotor just a little bit. You're down in the noise floor.
All right, I'm going to switch radios real fast and see if you can hear me, and come back if you can, okay? Appreciate it.
Roger, Roger. Kilo 9 Whiskey Bravo Tango. I still copy about a 5x4.
Any audio difference between the two?
Your audio sounds clear, but I'm not getting much more power, Josh. Again, you're right in the noise, right at the edge of the noise floor, but I can hear your voice nice and clear.
Okay, appreciate that. Thank you for coming back and clarifying. Yeah, I'm playing around with different settings on the new ICOM 7300 Mark II and just getting audio reports, mainly on the receive side, but it's good to get an audio report from how I'm coming. So thank you for the contact. I appreciate it. 7-3.
All right, thanks, Josh. Have a good time. 7-3 came on WVT.
CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on.
Kilo 9 Whiskey Bravo Tango. All right, thank you for the 5-9, Josh. I've got you 5x6 Wisconsin Whiskey India. Good to catch you on the air. Yeah, I'm here, Josh. I was trying to move my rotor just a little bit. You're down in the noise floor. Roger, Roger. Kilo 9 Whiskey Bravo Tango. I still copy about a 5x4. Your audio sounds clear, but I'm not getting much more power, Josh. Again, you're right in the noise, right at the edge of the noise floor, but I can hear your voice nice and clear. All right, thanks, Josh. Have a good time. 7-3 came on WVT.
A couple of things that jump out to me when comparing the two radios. Recording myself with this radio, I pick up the audio and it's not even on monitor. I don't get it so much here, even when I have compressor on and all that other stuff. So unsure what that's about, but it's interesting nonetheless.
Whiskey Zulu 0 Delta.
Is that a Whiskey Zulu 0 Delta?
Yeah, I think we've chatted several times. Whiskey Zulu 0 Delta in Southwest Colorado. You're a 5x5 here.
Yeah, you got a screamingly good audio. So yeah, your 5.9 sound real good. Can I switch radios real fast and see how you come in on that side?
Oh yeah, go ahead. I've been listening to you do that, so I'd be glad to help.
Oh, I wonder. That'd be wonderful. Okay, hold on 1 second.
Still there, your signal sound 2S units from, you were peaking 5.5, 5.6 the first go around. Now you're 5.3, 5.4 on this radio. So the audio sounds a little more subdued, but I attribute that to just a little less signal oomph.
Copy that. Yeah, I'm not tuning or playing around with the mic so much. I'm really trying to get your audio coming in and how this receiver sounds. This is the new ICOM 7300 Mark II we're testing. I'm on the original 7300 right now, but I was talking to you on the Mark II just a second ago.
Yeah, we've got some good QSB going on because you crept up to a 5.6 as you turned it over there.
Hey, copy that. I appreciate you taking the time, and you'll be in the video. So 7-3, okay?
Hey, 73, thanks for activating.
All right, take it easy.
Whiskey Zulu 0 Delta. Yeah, I think we've chatted several times. Whiskey Zulu 0 Delta in Southwest Colorado. You're a 5x5 here. Oh yeah, go ahead. I've been listening to you do that, so I'd be glad to help. Still there, your signal sound 2S units from, you were peaking 5.5, 5.6 the first go around. Now you're 5.3, 5.4 on this radio. So the audio sounds a little more subdued, but I attribute that to just a little less signal oomph. Yeah, we've got some good QSB going on because you crept up to a 5.6 as you turned it over there.
All right, making the jump to Wisconsin. on the 7300 Mark 1. They have a net on 14.332.
Alrighty, Randy. 73, buddy.
Let's switch it. On 3.2.
And a veteran of the Army. Thank you for your service, my friend. And this is Kilo Delta 9, India, Sierra, Charlie. I'm looking for check-ins, YL system. Please
Oh, it's a
call.
YL net. All right, 7300 Mark 2.
Check-ins, 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 YL system. This is the third period. Please come with your call.
And switch it back to the Mark 1.
Kilo 2, Golf Charlie Papa, come on in here. Brett, how are you?
Cody, how are you? Good afternoon. How you doing? I have you 5-9 in here.
Yeah, no problem at all, Chris. You're 5'9", coming in here to Wisconsin today. I hope everything is going well for you, my friend.
Editor Josh is back again to say the noise reducer on the Mark II also big thumbs up. Both did a fine job on the YL net, but you can tell that the Mark II is just a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, particularly on the station that comes back. It's a little bit lower, so pay attention to that. Got a weird noise.
Alrighty, Chris. Well, I'm certainly glad to hear you, buddy. I've got you on the log.
Here's the noise
You take
reducer.
care. Please enjoy the rest of your day and have a great weekend. We will look for you next week. Clear Kilo 2, Golf Charlie Papa. That's my buddy Chris.
Switching
there in
back
New
to the
York.
Mark II.
Yes, Kilo Delta 9, India, Sierra Charlie. I'm looking for check-ins. YL system, please call.
Kilo 7, Romeo, Echo, Romeo.
And noise reducer.
That Romeo, is it Kilo 7, Romeo, Echo, Romeo?
Roger, roger.
I got you, Bob. Come on in. Good afternoon, buddy.
Hey, good afternoon to you. Just turned the radio on and there you were. Nice day out here, high overcast, 55 degrees, light wind.
Well, I tell you what, Bob, do me a little favor and box up some of that warm air and send it to Wisconsin, okay? It's cold up here.
We're sending her that way right now. Just want to check in, get on the log, no calls. Thanks for what you do for the net.
Alrighty, Bob. It is my pleasure, my friend. You take care. Please enjoy the rest of your afternoon and have a good weekend. We'll look for you next week. Clear with Kilo 7, Romeo, Echo, Romeo. That's my buddy Bob out there in Idaho.
Oh, Jesus.
And this is Kilo Delta 9, India, Sierra
back to
Charlie.
Mark 1.
I was starting to get a little bit worried, Ralph. I thought you were still sleeping.
No, just busy. Working away.
Well, that's okay. I guess we'll let it go this time. I'm glad you're here, and you sound great like you normally do.
Oh, well, thank you for that.
Yeah.
Just working away. So what's going on over there in Wisconsin?
Well, I tell you, Ralph, it's a little on the cool side.
So by and large, they sound very similar. I think you'd have to give the nod to the Mark II on some of those quieter samples. I hope I was able to find a comparison there for the juxtaposition. So this is just my ears while I was listening. I think in the editing, I'll be able to pull that out a little bit. I'm not going to mess with the audio files at all. I just mean from a sense of like, I can actually get two of them together so you can hear an A-B comparison. We'll probably run through it a couple of times. Anyway, I hope that was helpful, but all right. Cool radio, nonetheless. Love all the additional features that we already talked about. If you haven't seen some of these additional features, then go check out my link in the video description or the card that is linked over there. If you're interested in any one of these radios, I will have links in the video description for you to check them out. I am Josh, KI6NAZ 73.